Good afternoon, guests, respected teachers, proud parents, and of course, our dear graduates. Dear graduates, the world you're stepping into is filled with both opportunities and challenges. Your journey through senior high school has been proven. Your ability to adapt, persevere, and rise above obstacles. You have endured sleepless nights, preparing for your projects, navigated the uncertainties of the pandemic, and faced trials that tested not only your intellect but also your character. Yet, here you are today, stronger, wiser, and ready to embrace the future. Dreams may never losing sight of your goals, no matter how distant or difficult they may seem. Whether you choose to continue study, enter the workforce, or venture into entrepreneurship, remember that success is built not only on talent but also on persistence, discipline, and hard work. Your diploma is not an end, but a passport, a ticket to countless possibilities waiting to be explored. Fostering means having the courage to stand firm when life becomes uncertain, to get back up after every fall, and to keep moving forward even when the road seems unclear. The resilience you have developed in senior high school will serve as your compass as you face the realities of the outside world. Graduates, never forget that your dreams are valid and achievable. Do not be afraid to fail, because every setback is simple a step up for a comeback. Carry with you the lesson taught by your teachers, the sacrifice made by your parents, and the friendship you have built with these walls. As you march forward into a new chapter, may you always remember this. The world does not just need graduates with knowledge, it needs graduates with heart and courage. Congratulations, class of 2024 2025. May your future be filled with hope, purpose, and determination. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.